let's make a slab. We're going to roll one out with hand tools. So the things we need are a rolling pin. There's a lot of different types. We just use a plastic pipe, easy to clean, very accessible. And you need slab guides. We have 2 types in our studio, and the main thing is you just need 2 of the same style. I always flatten my clay a bit by hand, and I want to flip it over and notice the table absorbs water, and that makes it get sticky. So I do move my clay around as I'm working. My rolling pin is going to go on top of the slab guides, which are framing up the clay. So I'm going to go back and forth, and again, moving my clay around, avoiding sticking to the table. So I'm going to keep rolling. Sometimes it sticks to the rolling pin, just carefully peel it away. And you keep rolling until the slab guide, basically your rolling pin sits on the slab guides. That means you've gotten the right thickness. Now I want to use my third tool I didn't mention, a slab smoothing blade. So I'm going to use this to smooth away any wrinkles and marks and compress the clay. I want to make sure I flip it over and do both sides. And I will often do this in multiple directions. If you don't have this tool, we have a few in the studio, but that doesn't mean you always have them. Other options would be a rubber rib or plastic card. And that's it. That's how we essentially make our slab, and then we can do lots of things with this tool.